So if you watched my video before, you would know that I'm gonna breed these adorable animals. So, well, I was going to breed these two cats, but I accidentally fed this one. So it was hard to go around this, and I needed to feed this one so they will make a baby. So I accidentally have this adorable baby. I think it took after. It's sad. Yes, this little boy is a dad. I don't know if I called it a she before in another video, but I don't know. This one's a girl. I think you know because of the pink nose. All of them have big noses. They're just so cute. Well, yeah, in my house, there's a safety issue that there's this. There's a little something there. Like there's no blocks there at all. So I'm just gonna get a block to like cover that first. Of course. I need to do this so it will stop. Here, come on, man. Come on. Yeah. Leave. No, no, no. Did someone get killed here? I know no one got killed because, well, there's no one missing. Is there? Is there? No, stop it. Stop it, girl. Stop it. Stop going around. You're so. Ah, yes. Having animals can be a bit annoying sometimes. I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna spawn two more cats. And I'm gonna. Oh my god. They're both so cute. So I'm just gonna put that. So like yeah, you know. So we're gonna be putting you. Eat. Finally. Good. Good. Girl. Good girl. Now we're gonna be beating you. Hey, okay, don't kill it. Please. Good. Yep. Now they're both tame. And they because excuse me, I'll just throw down. What this? I'll just regain it and just put it back in the chest. Unwanted items, and I don't have time to like throw them out right now. I'm just gonna get. I'm gonna get this, so like I can grow them peacefully. I'll just be doing this, and I'll just put the leash there. And now I'm gonna grow them. Yes, this is difficult, guys. Yes, if you guys actually accidentally like bred cats, if you breed it your cat, but you wanted to save them for a video, please say that in the comments below. Find each other, guys. Find each other. Find each other. That's a good. Those are good girls. And boys. Wait, if you guys have names for these two beauties, wait, did that grow? These two cuties that are actually they look like the same. Please guys, down in the comments below. Oh my gosh, you are so adorable, guys. Guys, I think I'm going into full cuteness now. So like yeah. These subscribers like to get me out of this mode because they are so adorable. I don't know if I can contain my surpriseness that they turn so cute. Now we're gonna be breeding these doggies. So doggies can be bred by needs fish. So, if you guys can see that they turn our heads, you know that you can breed them. If you do fish, like salmon, later. So I'm just gonna take out Robbie, like that, and I'm gonna take out this one. So yes, breed, so I can have a cute little. I just love cute stuff. Where's that doggy? I need that doggy. Waiting for this doggy too. Let them type it in the chat below. And if I saw, you know that I saw your comments. Well, thank you guys, and be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like. See you in my next video.